I take it you're another one of Arcane's glorious failures? Did you take my rifle?
No.
Did you see who did?
Why do you need a rifle?
Anybody listening in on us would think that we're just a couple of guys passing the time of day, when in fact...
In fact?
You are whatever you are, and I am what I am.
An unarmed man. I'm speaking of firearms, of course. It's right where you left it. Where it belongs.
At least he gave you special powers.
Dr. Arcane?
Who the hell else? I missed him. All these weeks of searching and planning, and I missed him. And now, how the hell am I gonna try again?
Hell is a word that comes easily to you.
It's where I live.
You're not from this neighborhood, then? I don't mean to minimize your anguish.
You don't know anything about my anguish.
It's probably not too different from my own.
Oh? You mean you don't enjoy being some kind of a mossy magician? Sorry. You look pretty well adjusted to me.
Whatever I am not a murderer. Are you?
Not yet.
Then why become one? What did Dr. Arcane do to you?
Just this.
There are so many beautiful birds in the world. Why would he want to change a man into one?
I was a bird. I was a peregrine falcon. As free as the wind. Dr. Arcane decided to make a man of me.
You're a man you must be. For as long as you live.
I know that. And I hate it. I hate being part of the human race. I hate what they do to one another. What they do to the earth and sky. I'm ashamed to be one of them. I want to be what nature meant me to be. I want to fly again.
A man can fly. On the wings of his spirit. But not if the spirit is weighted down with bitterness and hatred, or stained with blood.
Why would you want a man like him to live?
I want you to live. The way you are. Be what you are. And you'll fly again.
How? With this?
Stop.
Why? Look at it! You know whose obscene work this is?
Nature gives life. Nature takes life.
Nature is a maniac.